Hi, and welcome everybody for this exclusive episode of Ramnathan Group, The Green Diaries. Well, we talk about generations, and हर generation के साथ कुछ नई चीजें आती हैं, कुछ नए perspective आते हैं चीजों को fulfill करने के लिए, and इसीलिए ये exclusive episode जिसके लिए मैं तो particularly बहुत excited थी, and इसलिए we all have come together for this exclusive and special episode of The Green Diaries. Over to the production team for the Trending Live with Richa Mehta's video. आई फील कोई भी जनरेशन की हम बात करते हैं और हमें पता है कि when I am leading my father's business, it altogether gives a different pressure and a feel. Also excitement होती है कि कैसे हम उसको नई दिशा में लेके जाएं. शायद आज का यूथ यही कोशिश करता है when we talk about कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है और क्यों करना है. I would request the production team to please welcome our special guest for today. Somebody who represents the youth, somebody who represents the womanhood, somebody who represents and are so charming when you talk to them because they bring so much of fresh energy. Fresh energy तो आएगी ही क्योंकि है ये बात द ग्रीन डायरीज की और है ये बात राम रतन ग्रुप के थर्ड जनरेशन की. Can we please welcome Yashika and Avantika?
Hi.
Hi guys, welcome to the show.
Hi. I'm Avantika. I'm Yashka.
So guys, before we start with the series of questions which our viewers have put up, I would like you guys to introduce yourself as to आप क्या करते हैं in terms of the career perspective.
Hi, I'm Avantika. I am currently a final year student in philosophy. I'm studying philosophy. I'm in my final year in Carnegie College. And for my master's, I'm leaning towards a business degree.
Hi, my name is Yashika. I'm also final year student pursuing philosophy at Dirisham College. And I hope to pursue business in my postgrad.
That's nice, guys. We would also request you to say it loudly because आप लोगों की आवाज थोड़ी कम आ रही है. So maybe I'll ask थोड़ा सी जान लगा के अरे यूथ हो यार अच्छे से जान लगा के आंसर करना. So I would like to know that representing such a big group by the name of Ram Ratan, how do you feel? I mean, what do you think is the fresh perspective you can bring into the business, representing the youth, representing the third generation of Ram?
So I think that me and my entire generation, the way we approach things is very different to the way our fathers and grandfathers did. We're very flexible in the way we think. Okay, we don't like to go by the book. If it's said like, like I have to, I have a assigned task and I have to do something, and they're like step A, B, C. But I think that I can improve in step B. So I think me and my generation, we're willing to take that risk just so that we can improve the outcome. And we are not we're very result oriented, but we also care about the process. So that is why we're very flexible in the way we think, and we're like, however, in whichever way we can improve and be inclusive, we do that. Other than that, our generation in our school curriculum and college And everywhere, even on social media, climate change is a very big issue, and we're very sensitive to sustainability. And we like how we like to do things is not at the cost of nature. We make sure that we preserve nature and make sure that we don't have a very big carbon footprint on Earth. So, like, I think these are two very good and nice perspectives by the way we through the way we do things.
Along with what Avantika said when she talked about when she
Sure.
talked about how we're not result oriented, we care about the process. And that means we emphasize sustainability. It's important to us that the environment we also be taken care of because you only have one planet. I feel like we're also very sensitive to the needs of the current youth, so that gives us a big advantage over our previous ancestors.
Because we are the current youth and we know what we want.
Very smartly answered, guys, and I am really impressed. बहुत सही बात है because शायद आप लोगों के लिए inbuilt है. You have that spark, you have that thing inbuilt. That's the reason you have been able to answer it so correctly and so wisely. So, I mean, your grandfather, how does he inspires you? Because I'm sure हर कोई रामरतन ग्रुप को जानता है, हर कोई रामरतन ग्रुप के बारे में बातें करता है. लेकिन being the grandchildren, what do you think? I mean, I would like to know कि आप grandfather आप लोगों को inspire कैसे करते हैं?
I think the biggest positive attribute that my grandfather has is that he's always emphasized fair and equitable dealings with his partners. It's been a matter of pride for him that he can say with like full confidence that he's never been dishonest in his dealings. It's important for him that we do the same thing. Like we never sacrifice or compromise our integrity and the moral values he's taught us.
And he's always taught us that if we live in a very capitalist society, everybody is running behind money. And he knows that this is what is happening. So he's always taught us that money should never be what you run behind. Money will come and go, but the respect that people have for you in their eyes is something you can only earn through your actions. And it's like no matter how much money you have, if a person does not respect you, it's equal to having no money. So he's always taught us that if you're ever in a situation where it's about your honor and your respect and being honest, you choose to turn your back to being dishonest. And that is very virtuous, and that is something that we like personally, I know for the both of us and all of my siblings, that is something we have really imbibed in us, because we understand that money is not the end goal. It should never be the end goal. It's materialistic. It does not matter. Nobody's going to be like, oh, this person is very rich. Everybody's going, even for now, for our grandfather, everybody's like, he worked really hard. The way he worked, how he was honest. So that is what matters, and that is one of his main teachings that we carry on in our lives. It's like the basic thing is just don't be dishonest to your partners, to your clients, to anybody and everybody. So it's honesty and honor.
I think absolutely, because values, our ground rules, our way of doing, our ethics comes first. Because money follows. ये हम
Exactly.
सबको हमें बड़े लोग समझाते हैं that money will
Yeah.
follow. Please don't run after the money. Just do your work, give your 100%, do your hard work, be determined, and things will follow. Guys, I'm impressed.
Exactly.
You are still in college and you have been talking so maturely in terms of handling such situations and fulfilling it. So something which comes to my mind, being from the Ram Ratan Group family, being from the family, how as a woman your family empowered you, knowing the generations which we are talking about was male oriented, coming
Yeah.
from there to now. So being both of you being representing the womanhood, representing the youth, so how have your family empowered you in terms of your future?
So we live in a joint family. We're 10 siblings. Out of the 10, we're 7 sisters and 3 brothers. So obviously, it's like the amount of females in our house in terms of our generation is a lot, and that has also helped us our cause, because we all think alike and we also believe, because women need to support women to empower women, and that is what we've done throughout our lives. Our mothers, our grandmothers, everybody, we've always supported each other. So but actually, it's like the kind of education we've been given, the kind of opportunities we've been given in the past has just portrayed this, that we have never been discriminated against. The kind of education me and my brothers got is the same. It's not like they went to some different school and I went to some different school. Our educations are prioritized at the same level. Our parents have always told us that you're equals. they've never pitted us against or discriminated against us. And our Tauji, our grandfather's eldest son, he's always made sure that we know that we're our brothers equals and they are our equals. Nobody is superior or inferior to anybody, and that how mainly they've empowered us, though I feel, is through our education. The kind of effort and the money and the priority they have given to our education has really shaped us, for me and my brothers, and how they perceive us as equals and how we perceive them as equals. And our Tauji has always told us that you're equals regardless of what anybody tells you, and our education has told us the same way.
I feel like it's a big point that we've never been told that as women we don't have to study, or like cook or something like that. It's been emphasized that it's important for us to study, have a good education, get a good job, and like earn our own money. We've been emphasized that our independence is very important, both financially and like away from the family.
7:3 का रेशियो तो काफी सही है यार. अच्छा रूल करते होगे आप अपने ब्रदर्स पे. Because even I have my cousins who are of same age, but we have almost equal ratio. तो कभी कोई किसी पे भारी पड़ता है तो दूसरा सपोर्ट कर लेता है. आप लोगों का
Yeah,
तो सही है.
exactly.
मजा आता होगा. Because 7:3, wow. I must say that
Yeah.
that's actually, Ramnathan Group is actually supporting women, and like you said, you make your own career path. The career
Yeah,
path
we
which
like
you are is something. We have a lot of comments. We also had Ramnathan Group. We had Nandini, who said well said, and we have Himani. Hello everyone. It was nice to see on Green Diaries with Rucha Mehta. People are motivating youth. You guys should come more often in terms of spreading positivity and letting people know what youth. Anita Basla says super kids. Super to Lagoi, because your thoughts, it's not only about the way you talk, it's also about the thoughts which you guys have, which makes you the super girls, the superpower girls. So
Thank you.
COVID has impacted everybody. They have impacted my family. I'm sure it must have impacted your family too, and of course, around the world. So representing the youth of India, my mother, Suman Mehta, God bless both of you, intelligent, charming, beautiful daughters of Vijay ji.
Thank you.
Thank you, auntie.
Very sweet.
So, okay, so we were talking about COVID. We were talking about this pandemic. So, as youth, you're representing the youth. What are your, what do you want to convey to the world? That how has this pandemic, or what do you think has it impacted adversely?
I think the biggest generalized worry that all of us, the youth currently are facing, is the uncertainty we're all going through. It's about uncertainty for the futures, education. Our education has been disrupted a lot for the past 1 year and more. It's like how the grade 10th and 12th exams have been pushed back or cancelled. And now our currently OB exams were pushed back to June. So we don't know if we're having them or not. So we're worried about education. And then when our college exams are postponed, our future plans are also postponed. So that like we're suffering through all that. The biggest, I think, the negative impact that this uncertainty has is over our mental health. We have feelings of anxiousness, depressed, psychological distress over our futures. We're very worried.
So, along with what Yashka said, youth unemployment is at an all-time high right now, and the youth that were poised to enter the job market are currently struggling, and there is a huge fall in pay than what was predicted. So, obviously, this is going to impact a lot of us, our generation, the youth, financially, but also the stress, because you have a lifeline, and this is very unprecedented. Nobody thought that this could happen, right? Like, if you were telling me that the world would stop in 2020, no one would believe that, and we still, like, I feel like somewhere we're like, okay, this happened. So obviously for the youth there is this uncertainty that is lingering over the job market, that is has a lot of adverse effects on us and our future plans. But on a more personal level, how it has affected us, the college experience. Like, everybody throughout life is like, we just want to reach college, because it's school is a very sheltered environment. Okay, school is very sheltered. They don't really let you explore, but college is a very, very freedom-induced environment. There is a lot of freedom. There is a lot of enjoyment and exposure. So that kind of exposure really builds a person socially and in terms of education. And unfortunately, 1.5 years of our lives, of our college lives, have just been gone in lockdown. So that's how it's impacted us on a more personal level.
I know, because I have friends who are, who have the small kids, and they're in KG or first. So, I mean, the education system is charging the entire fee, but
Exactly.
when it comes to their education, it's the mothers who are taking. Similarly, for you guys, I'm sure the fees wouldn't have been reduced, knowing that you guys are not using the infrastructure, knowing that you guys are not using any of their resources. But even if it's online, it's something which we as youth are suffering, which we as because like you said, कॉलेज लाइफ तो वापस नहीं आती. 3 साल की है या
Exactly.
4 साल की है या 5 साल की है. जितने मजे हम कॉलेज में करते हैं, knowing that we make new friends, we it's the exposure. Because from being a kid to going to corporate, जो बीच का
Hmm.
टाइम होता है, that's the college life, जिसमें
College
grow
life. Exactly.
we grow as individual, we grow as human. वो ही अगर मिस हो जाए, वो ही हम सिर्फ ऑनलाइन घर पे बैठे हुए कर रहे हैं, तो फिर मजा नहीं है ना. But this
Exactly.
pandemic, I know, I
Yeah.
mean, I can totally relate. Okay, so another question that that your grandfather used to run the business and your father is running the business, right? What difference in terms of you being the grandchildren or you being the daughters? What difference you see in both of their approaches towards the business, towards your family?
So obviously, when our grandfather was working, we were like not there. But from what we hear and like everything, because he's he really like remembers the time he used to work, and every day he tells us like a couple of stories of his times. So I think it's like what he did then is really it's like sometimes I'm just like okay, he actually did that because the kind of resources we have today, we have the internet, so everything is it's on our tips. We don't have to struggle to get information. But that time he had no prior information. Everything that he's built, this entire group that we're all, it's feeding our stomachs, right? Everything that he's done is feeding us today. And how he did that in that time when there was no internet, there were no resources, he obviously grasped things, he noticed things, and he imbibed them, and then he used them to set his business. So it is him that has set this foundation up from nothing. He built something like this from nothing, and that is a matter of pride. And all of this he's done in all honesty. He's had some very big clients whom he's proud of. He's done some amazing things in that time when there were no resources to support him. So how he does his business, I feel like is he's very smart. Okay, he really like catches on to things. If you say something, he's going to remember it for all his life. So I think that is how he's very attentive. He notices things, and he's somebody who always sees the positive. Even if I tell him the most negative situation in the world, he'll be like, okay, but this. So I think the way he ran his business was he was very sheltered. Obviously, like right now, our parents are on a very they're towards expansion, but he was very sheltered in his way of doing business. But the way he did it is recommendable. It's really like sometimes I just listen to a story and I was like, how like how do you come up with that confidence to just do this?
Obviously, all the moral values and principles of our grandfather embedded in all his three sons. But I think Tauji and like his brothers, they emphasize advancement and progression. When you had Tauji on the show, how he was talking about like at a grandfather's time, farmers is supposed to be like luxury, right? It's people didn't think like it was a need or like it was affordable, accessible to them. But Tauji now at this point,
For figuring out who Tauji is she mentioning about. So Mr. Vijay Chaudhary is her Tauji, and the first episode we had was with the chairman of Ram Ratan Group, Mr. Vijay Chaudhary. Yeah, please continue.
yeah. So he talked about how now we can build farmhouses on a budget. We have farmhouses in Nimrana, Sona, Gurgaon, Chhatarpur. So it's like we can the budgeted farmhouses like make it more affordable and accessible to the common man.
And it should no longer be a luxury because especially now in COVID, everybody wants to run away from their flats, and it should be something it should not be like okay, like oh, I have a farmhouse. It should be a very basic amenity. Obviously, not as basic as having a house. It is obviously a second house maybe, but it's very important that everybody should at least have some level of approach to buy a farm. So it's very important for it not only to be in crores and like that. It's very important for it to be budgeted as well. Sorry.
True, because the first episode when people were, so we have Renuka who says, "I'm so proud of how far you guys have come." Uh, Absolutely. And while I was thinking about Sohan Tanwar says the Ram Ratan family is proud to have you. So yes, absolutely. Because the first episode of Ram Ratan Group, the Green Diaries, we talked about that when we talk about investing options for youth specifically, we are more towards mutual funds or maybe SIPs or FDs, PPF, and so on. But when it comes to now, it's changing because this pandemic has taught everybody that let's go to the root level, the grassroots level, which our grandparents used to talk about. It was for investing in land. Similarly, something which you talked both of you were talking about budgeting, because like he was also mentioned in the very first episode that it starts as low as 25 lakhs to as high as maybe Joby Ambani's, it's
Yeah.
something which which actually gave an ease to everybody who have been listening to this Green Diary since it's going live on 8 platforms on Facebook and YouTube. So we had Kannu, Yogita, and of course there was somebody else also. I would request the production team to please play the comments which I have missed, just to make sure these girls are motivated. We have Rajesh, which says very nice. Guys, these all comments are for you. Shagun Setia
Thank you.
says,
Thank
good to
you.
see family. So these all are to motivate you. You guys will be representing the world. You guys are the future of India. Ekta says,
Yeah.
well done, sisters. So before we take it ahead, I would request the production team. There's a special message by Ram Ratan Group over this pandemic, over these problems. I would request the production team to please play that video. Welcome back, guys. You can talk to each other later. So Vijayji says, feeling very proud that our Generation X is like this. Very interesting and knowledgeable chat show. Indeed, Vijayji, I'm also talking to them for the first time and they're very knowledgeable, I must say. You must be very proud of, being their father. And good guys, I really like it. And having said that, मजा तब आता है जब यूथ इकट्ठे मिलके कोई गेम खेले, क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस तो हर चैट शो में होते हैं, लेकिन जो हम गेम के थ्रू लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं कि एक्चुअली हु इज जशिका, हु इज अवंतिका, दैट्स समथिंग which people will go through it. So we have Ritika Tanwar who says Ramatan Group is the epitome of luxury. Absolutely, and no doubt in saying that, because the kind of videos also makes people believe that luxury houses was used to happen in terms of each of our dreams. The next thing which is in line is having a farmhouse, having your own farmland where you are closer to nature, where you are able to fix things and where you are able to represent it. Guys, are you ready for a small and simple game?
Yeah.
Perfect. I will just ask question one after the another and you have to answer them very quickly. Cool? दोनों
Yeah.
आंसर करो, एक नहीं करेगा. मतलब when I speak the
Uh-huh.
question,
Yeah.
so you both have, because you might have different opinion for all the things, yeah? Cool? Or thoda तेज, because your voice is little low, thoda तेज, okay? Show your jazba and junoon which Ram Ratan Group carries, yeah? Okay. So we are playing this or that game, which means that whatever I'll put across, you have to choose one. Cool? Okay.
Yes.
So live in Europe or America?
America. America.
Europe.
गलत
Yes,
head
Paris.
था. Europe,
America is
America.
great American.
Paris. Croissants.
We should actually, this question should have had India, because हम आप लोगों को अमेरिका यूरोप क्यों भेजे? When you are so talented and nice, I think India needs you. Okay. always be 20 minutes early or 10 minutes late?
20 minutes early. We
I think
practiced this at home, speaking together.
No, we didn't.
I
No, we
think
didn't.
he's also always on time. मेरा थोड़ा अलग रहता है. I'm never on time though. Okay. Then never use your phone or never use social media for a day.
Never use social media for a day.
तुम दोनों के
I'm
आंसर
not
सही.
attached to social media.
I am, but on your phone you can play games.
So Nandini Tanwar says Vijay is an extraordinary man. Of course, I mean, the super hit power of the Green Diaries was the first episode where for people it got clarified as to what land investment means. So truly, the epitome of luxury himself. He's the foundation of Ram Ratan Group, and he's somebody whom you can represent. जैसे आपने बोला, 20 minutes early. Absolutely. I have gone through all this. Guys, just one question in between this game. Have you opened from any of the two devices by any chance?
No.
No? Because there is a little echo. My team has just informed me, so I wanted to confirm.
Our family is watching the short side of the TV, so that's probably that. Yeah, so
Cool.
should I ask
Cannot-
you to know the volume?
Fine, I'll manage. I love it that your family is watching. I'll manage. No problem. Okay. Discover the cure of a disease or discover life on a new planet.
Life on a
Discover
new
the
planet.
Cure of a disease. I feel like it's selfish to go to another planet. You know, we have diseases in our planet.
I'm running away.
Selfish planet.
No, I'm running away.
Selfish person.
I'm running away from Earth and going to live in Mars.
Away.
Even, I mean, I might choose both actually. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए क्योंकि मैं जैसे everybody was going to Maldives, मेरा बड़ा मन था यार.
I know.
I mean,
So Maldives is the other planet.
exactly. But somehow I did not go, because I am with Yashika in we have to be with our family. We have to make sure that whatever input we can give. मैं शायद दोनों आंसर करती. But difficult question, I must say. Okay. Lose your sense of taste or lose your sense of smell?
Who's your sense
Smell.
of smell?
Smell.
Food is important.
Food is
Smell
important.
everything.
So important.
बेटा पता चलेगा. Okay. So, working alone or working in a team?
Working alone.
Working in a team and then being the leader. I'm not working under anybody.
She's very dominant. Bossy.
And what
You can't work with her. That's why I work alone.
And what did you choose? Working alone, Yashika?
I chose working alone.
Oh. So she wants to be a leader when we talk about
Yeah.
team. And you say is working alone.
If I
Okay.
can't be the leader, I'm working alone.
Okay. We have Sanjay Mitra says, congratulations, Yashika. God bless you both. Richa, you rock again. Thank you so much for watching our show.
Thank you.
मेरे हिसाब से आप लोग जब बड़े हो गए, because knowing the values which the group has, आप जरूर leader तो बनोगे, but you will be working as a team. That's what I feel.
Thank you. I wish you.
Okay. Farmhouse or luxury studio apartment? इसमें तो कोई दो राय नहीं. मुझे पता तुम लोग क्या चूज
Farmhouse.
करोगे.
Farmhouse. Obviously.
वो तो
Family
खून
business.
वो तो फार्म हाउस ही चूज करना है. So yeah, Sarika says proud of you girls. They're talking about you.
Yeah.
So beach or mountains?
Beach.
Mountains. The
The
snow.
sea.
Snow.
What?
Snow. Mountains.
This is crazy because she swims like a fish. If you put her in the pool, she will not come out. Like you have to like drag her out.
I love winters. So
I love winters too, but like beach.
Okay.
I don't get the concept of sun.
What?
It's very annoying to me. There's
What?
just heat.
Literally gives you life.
No, but then Avantika, vitamin D, the kind of deficiency which everybody has. वो सिर्फ sun से ही मिलती है.
Tablets. We're all eating medicines.
I'm sure आप यहाँ से बाहर जाओगे and your mother will have a separate session with you on tablets.
Yeah.
I mean,
think
I my mother says, ये तू 10 मिनट धूप में नहीं बैठ सकती. ऐसे tan हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. But I mean, they are right because till
Yeah.
when you
Yeah.
surviving. Avantika, आप बाहर पता चलेगा. Okay. Able to fly or breathe underwater?
Fly.
breathe on the water. I'm
Superman.
very. You.
What?
I love aquatic life.
मैं तो उड़ना चाहूंगी, सबको देखना चाहूंगी, और कुछ कोई मेरे को जितना परेशान है उसके पत्थर पत्थर फेंकना चाहूंगी ऊपर से.
No, I will ride a shark, no? So then I
What?
will eat them all.
You can ride a shark without breathing underwater.
No.
Yeah.
I want to be underwater and then surprise everybody. Oops, here I am on a shark.
And the last one. So we have Pop D, maybe one of your family members who says proud to associated with Ram, or maybe somebody who is property leader and they have their brand by the name of this group because the you know the picture represents that. Thank you so much for watching our show. Last one, leader or follower.
Leader.
Somebody from front or somebody who follows the leader.
Leader.
Leader. It's my personality.
Embedded in her.
खून में है, खून में. Personality तो बाद में बनती है. इंसान को जिस तरह से पैदा होता है ना, it's in your blood. You both chose leader, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Very nice. I mean, I loved the game. I wish I had a couple of more questions, but the team only gave me these. But we actually got to know more about you, and no points in guessing the leadership quality. No points in guessing. The first question ही गलत था. Europe, America तो गलत ही है. We would like you to be part of India forever and ever because the youth. मैं आप लोगों को वो बोल रही हूँ जो मुझे सुनने को मिलता है. So just but then being and representing youth, we have our roles and responsibilities which we have to fulfill being part of India. And I feel that as a citizen of India we should all do it rather than running out. थोड़े टाइम के लिए Maldives हो आओ, go आओ, कोई बात नहीं. But otherwise we have our responsibilities which we have to fulfill as citizens of India. Okay guys, before we wrap up the show, I would request the production team, because Ram Ratan Group has completed 37 years and the next question is on that only. I would request to play that playful, joyful, congratulatory video for Ram Ratan Group. So completing 37 years, जितने के हम है भी नहीं, शायद हम सबकी मिला के शायद एज होगी. So completing 37 years, it all the more important to help them in growth in terms of not only representing as youth but also the values imparted. Knowing that street smart Avantika and book smart Yashika, how do you think this combination will help the growth of Ram Ratan Group?
So I think by street smart, for me, I'm a very practical person. I don't like to read. I don't like to adapt from the book. I'm very practical. Like, okay, you tell me that this is how it's supposed to be done, I will do it. I don't like to go by the book. Whereas Yashika, she's a bookworm. Okay, she's into rote learning and everything. So,
What road learning? I like studying.
yeah, so that's the difference. I don't like. Yeah, so it's like if you give me 3 scenarios again, okay, and Yashka tells me, okay, like this is the solution, but there are 3 different scenarios, so there's supposed to be 3 different solutions. So how am I going to get it done? I will get it done, not Yashka, but me.
Because she's good at adapting.
Yeah,
Like
because
she might tailor the idea to the needs of the end product. That's important. I failed so many times my rote learning. My knowledge has failed so many times. I feel like it's important people be both practical and theoretical. People emphasize book learning and marks and everything, but it's not everything. I think it's important you be practical, you tailor the needs, and she has all these qualities.
Yeah, and like particularly the Indian curriculum for education is like this. It's very theoretical, and that is why I felt like I was struggling a little bit, but I didn't though. But that's not the point. The point was that initially, like when once you come into it, it's all theory. They don't expect you to even have like a bit of practical knowledge, and that's where I struggle because I'm a very practical person. I will not read the book to do something. I will do it with my brain. So that's the whole thing. Like Yashka said, if for a situation, I will tailor the situation according to the need of the hour. So I think it's very important for each business and everything to have this balance of book smart and street smart. I mean, even if one side is heavier than the other, it's not going to work out because it's important. Because without theory, there's no practical. Without practical, there's no theory. So it's very important to have a good balance.
Absolutely,
good
because
combination with theoretical and
Yeah.
practical. That's it.
absolutely, like Yashika said, even I agree because mix of both. Because a education, you guys know that I am a BCom honors graduate. I topped in my college, and I finance because I'm a number person. So I did my MBA in finance, but my मेरा जो business है, मेरी जो पूरी personality fashion industry में उसमें finance दूर दूर तक. I thought I will be, doing the wealth management of HNIs, or maybe something core finance, because my entire education was into core finance. But destiny has its own plans, and I'm completely and solely. Say Avantika is totally into water when she. But for me, I'm totally into fashion, totally wholly and solely into fashion. But yes, like you both said, education kabhi waste nahi jati hai. I feel that I'm able to convert people better just because my education was strong, and I was more towards helping in term more towards the number game and everything. So I feel that yes, it's mix of both, but because it has its own pros and cons. But आप लोग दोनों, because Yashika Avantika, it says by A. So I think you guys make that pair where people can actually relate both and still have their different opinion. So Yashika and Avantika, any last thoughts before we end this? Man to nahi kar raha, but just because of everything, every good thing has an end. And before we end this show, any last comments representing yourself, representing the youth, and representing the group? Any last comments which you want our viewers to know or listen?
We would like to thank our grandfather, obviously, our parents, our Taujis. We're very family oriented. And for all the opportunities and everything they've given us, our mothers, our aunties, everybody for raising us and imparting us good knowledge, good moral values and principles. We thank all of them.
And teaching us what really matters in life, and not to be just taken away by those materialistic world, and really keeping us grounded to our values and our virtues. And it's our parents, it's both the parents, the mother, the father, all of them. We have three mothers, three fathers, because we're a very close knitted family. It's everything that they've taught us is why we're here, and we just, we're like very grateful because everything we have is because of them.
Absolutely.
And thank you to you
Yeah, exactly.
for
Thank
having
you
us on
to
the
you.
show.
This
Giving
is
us
very
this
nice.
opportunity.
I loved it. I mean, this exclusive show was exclusive, and I was looking forward for it because, I knew that I can play games. I knew I can, chit chat, and know that, we would share the same wavelength. And absolutely, because when we talk about being an individual representing youth or representing womanhood, I feel that it's very important to come together. And मेरे को ऊपर 7:3 का ratio बहुत अच्छा लगा. आप please, please, because we have seen it when we were young that our brothers used to overpower us. Though I was Gunda, I was the mainframe, but in
Powerful.
terms of strength,
Antika's Gunda too. Total Gunda. Yeah. Like
so
this young gangster, I'm telling you.
Because you should never be under anybody. You should always come off as strong and powerful.
absolutely. So our brothers used to be more stronger, knowing that they are males. But
Yeah.
मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा वो होती थी, और I used to सारे खाने चित कर देती थी. But then, having said it, it was lovely to have you on this show. Thank the chairman of Ramadan Group, Chaudhary, for bringing both the pretty ladies today for this show. And also, I would like to take this platform to announce that we are coming up with another powerful gonna happen soon. And that royalty will come from the guests which we will be having on those shows. Till we meet again, thank you so much, guys, for coming and being part of the Green Diaries. And
Thank
we
you
are
for
really
having us.
please keep up the spirit high, you guys, values. Please carry this throughout, and Europe, America नहीं India में रहो, हमें proud करो and make India proud. Thank you.
Thank you for having us. It
Thank you
was
for
really
having
nice meeting you.
us.